Caribbean leaders gearing up for crucial meeting in Jamaica to discuss security and humanitarian crisis in Haiti. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug. Also this evening, armed men attacked 2 police stations near Haiti's National Palace last night despite state of emergency. And later, calls intensify for building which houses Trelawney Municipal Corporation and Parish Court to be preserved. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.